What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're cooking up some insane microwave meals in a mug. We've got 8 mind-blowing recipes that are going to blow your taste buds away. Let's get cooking. Alright, first up we've got the ultimate comfort food, chicken pot pie in a mug. To start, grab 1/2 cup of cooked chicken, dice up 1/4 cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of celery, and 1/4 cup of potatoes. In your mug, mix together the 1/2 cup of chicken, 1/4 cup of carrots, 1/4 cup of celery, 1/4 cup of potatoes, 1/3 cup of cream of chicken soup, and a sprinkle of poultry seasoning. Stir it all up, slap on a pre-made pie crust, and microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the crust is golden brown. Boom! You've got yourself a delicious, steaming hot chicken pot pie in a mug. Next up, we're taking on another classic, lasagna. First things first, grab your mug and let's layer this bad boy up. Start with a layer of cooked lasagna noodles. Break them up to fit. You'll need about 2-3 noodles. Spread a layer of ricotta cheese, around 2 tablespoons, then a layer of meat sauce, about 3 tablespoons. Repeat the layers, ending with a final layer of cheese. Sprinkle on some mozzarella and provolone, roughly 1/4 cup each. Pop it in the microwave for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. And just like that, you've got yourself a mouth-watering lasagna in a mug. Time for some serious flavor. We're making egg fried rice, but without all the frying. First, whisk together 1 egg and a tablespoon of soy sauce in your mug. Microwave it for about a minute or until the egg is just set. Add 1/2 cup of cooked rice, 1/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots, a teaspoon of sesame oil, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Mix it all up, microwave it for another minute to heat everything through, and get ready for an explosion of flavor. This next one is for all you breakfast lovers out there. We're making a fluffy, cheesy omelette in a mug. First, crack 2 eggs into your mug and whisk them together with a splash of milk or water, about 2 tablespoons. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper. Add in your favorite omelette fillings, 2 tablespoons of diced ham, 1 tablespoon each of peppers, onions, and mushrooms, or whatever you're feeling. Microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes, or until the omelette is set and cooked through. Top it with a sprinkle of cheese and some fresh herbs, and you've got yourself a protein-packed breakfast in a mug. Get ready for the ultimate breakfast in a mug. We're talking cheesy bacon eggs with hash browns, all cooked to perfection in the microwave. First, crumble 2 slices of pre-cooked bacon into your mug. Crack in 2 eggs and season them with a pinch of salt and pepper. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of frozen hash browns on top. Microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes, or until the eggs are cooked through and the hash browns are crispy. Sprinkle on 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese and prepare to have your mind blown by this epic breakfast creation. This next one is for all you quiche lovers out there. We're making a spinach and cheese quiche in a mug. First, chop up a handful of fresh spinach, about 1/4 cup. In your mug, whisk together 2 eggs, a splash of milk or cream, around 2 tablespoons, and some salt and pepper to taste. Stir in the chopped spinach and a generous handful of shredded cheese, about 1/4 cup. Microwave it for 2 to 3 minutes or until the quiche is set and golden brown on top. Let it cool for a few minutes before digging in. Get ready for the ultimate savory breakfast treat, cheddar and bacon muffins in a mug. First, crumble 2 slices of cooked bacon into your mug. Add in 2 tablespoons of shredded cheddar cheese. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1/4 cup of flour, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and a tablespoon of sugar. In another bowl, whisk together 1 egg, a tablespoon of melted butter, and 1/4 cup of milk. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Pour the batter into your mug over the bacon and cheese. Microwave it for 1 to 2 minutes or until the muffin is cooked through and golden brown on top. You didn't think we'd forget about pizza, did you? We're making pizza in a mug. First, grease your mug lightly with some cooking spray. In a small bowl, combine 4 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, whisk together 4 tablespoons of milk and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir until just combined. Pour the batter into your greased mug and top it with your favorite pizza toppings. There you have it, guys. 8 unbelievable microwave meals in a mug that will change the way you cook forever. Which one are you going to try first? Make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our crazy food challenges and recipe videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.